Brush it up, brush it down, comb your hair, no frown. Bella combs with a smile so bright, getting ready for school delight. Uniform on, shoes tied tight, Bella's ready, shining bright. Hairpin wings all glow, time for school, let's go, go, go! Bag in hand, breakfast ready, yum, let's show, let's go. It's morning fun, happy as can be. Up we go, out the door, Bella's ready, hear the roar. Waiting for the bus today, school adventures on the way. Ding dong, the bell goes ring, Bella smiles, ready to sing. Step inside, friends say hi, school fun time is here, oh my. Hello teacher, where is my seat?
Right over there.
Thank you. Sits down neat, ready to start. Open books, pencils too. Colors, numbers, letters, pens, and color pens. Paint and draw, sing along. Learning here is so much fun. Bella colors, friends create. Count to 10, 1, 2, 3. Bella claps. Great job, see? Numbers, fun, smiles in every way. Shapes and songs. Bella's workplace of fun learns that we. Recess time on run and play. Fun games for me and you. Jump rope, hop, hop, hop. Spin around the laps and friends cheer too. Fun and games for me and you. See the ball, kick it high. Wave to friends as they run by. Bella laughs, friends cheer too. Playtime fun for me. Fun girls dancing, spin the back, clap their hands in the pan. Snack time now, yum, yum, yum. Juice and fruits for fun. And snacks for you. Learn and play, count and write, number shines. So great items, happy learning all the way. Story time, listen well. Bella loves the tales they tell. Learn and play, count and write, number shines. So great items, happy learning all the way. Bella, Bella, go to school. Learning, long, run, turns to morning fun for me and you. Stand up, smile, say, spray, class. Wave goodbye and shout hooray. Bella, school time fun today. Friends all cheer, the day was bright. See you tomorrow, wave goodnight.